Hey guys, Shujat here from Tech Jockey HD with another tech-related video, and around 8 more months until Samsung Galaxy S10 aka Beyond is released. And in this video, we're going to be talking about top 5 reasons to look forward to its release. So let's get started. First reason is that 2019 is Samsung's 10th anniversary, and they have referred to this phone as an important part of it. Now this leads us all into having many rumors about various features, but whether it be a triple camera or a display with over 600 pixels per inch, we are all confident that there will be at least one big new feature that we still have not found out about. There will not be a notch, especially because Samsung has made so much fun of Apple's product with this character in their ads that has a notch haircut. It would totally not make sense if they end up doing it. On the same note, Apple has always been able to shift market standards around their product with tiny things like the notch, no headphone jack, and 3D touch, etc. Back to the topic though, Samsung has never had a notch on any of their phones, so it wouldn't make sense anyways. It will be much faster than before. Well, it better be. With all these Fortnite type of games coming out these days and the multi-functionalities, phone must have to keep up. So according to this guy on Twitter, who apparently has a good record of authentic leaks, 5G baseband, a flash storage 3.0 and a next generation of LPDDR5 RAM, which in other words will turn this phone into a beast for all that it has to do. We have confirmation of an in-display fingerprint scanner. I don't know about you guys, but this is something that would 100% float my boat. This confirmation is from ET News, who claim to have direct connections to Samsung official news. Now, given that Samsung has all the means to be the first one to use this kind of technology, and they have actually not done it first because there are already other companies doing it, leads us into thinking that they might be taking their time to make a much better and more effective version of this technology. After all, this will be definitely a marketing feature and with a lot of security responsibilities. Now, fun fact, when I dug into it a bit more, it turns out that the sensor S10 is using is an ultrasonic one that is currently not being used by any other smartphone companies. Supposedly, it's meant to work along with the transmitter under the screen, and when the sensor sends out the signal, some would be absorbed while the others would bounce back and received by the transmitter, which then will be able to make a 3D model of the finger and be able to better recognize the points. This also leads me into thinking that at some point, our smartphones would be able to directly make 3D images of objects without using any extra softwares, which then can be printed by a 3D printer and will definitely have many other usages out of it. I look forward to that as well. The screen of the phone is going to have a built-in sound technology. There are going to be speakers behind the screens which will vibrate the screen and make sound waves come out of it. It doesn't affect the sound quality, but all I know is that there are very few extremely expensive smart televisions that have this kind of technologies in them. So having the same feature in smartphone is just begging for more money on the price label. Let's hope it doesn't happen though. If you dig this video, leave a thumbs up and comment about your favorite feature that you look forward to. Until then, this is Shujat from Tech Jockey HD, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.